JA Inspire is not a career fair. It's a career exploration event where we had 3,000 8th graders from 6 counties on the Eastern Shore here at the Ocean City Convention Center to truly experience all of the jobs that exist here on the shore. You know, PRMC had a mock emergency room, NASA brought a rocket. That way they understand what the day in and the day out of all these careers look like, because how can we ask our students to pick careers when they have no idea what that job looks like?
This is our second year of being involved in the JA Inspire event. We think it's a wonderful opportunity to get to these young men and women at this age, get them motivated, get them inspired and thinking about careers. And if we can do that, maybe there's a great opportunity that they'll come back again.
I think this Junior Achievement event is a wonderful experience, not only for the children, but for businesses to see who we could potentially work with in the future. It's a great hands-on experience for the children. So many times they're taking places where don't touch this, don't touch that, but here they're allowed to touch.
My favorite booth has been the health booth of the nursing. I intubated someone and then I did stitches and ultrasounds. I've learned for my future what I want to do, I should love it and it should be something fun. I think this will help me know what I want to do and get prepared for when it's time to pick my job.
So far, my favorite booth probably will be aeronautics. Normal people like us usually don't get opportunities to work on something that would go out into space. It makes you feel proud because you build something and you send it out into space.
My favorite booth has been Splash Mountain. The guy that I was interviewing, he told me that it was a lot of fun and that he liked what he was doing, which really encouraged me to really, start to really think about what we were doing.
I've had a great time and I visited many booths. My favorite was probably the fire department because that's what I aspire to do when I'm older. And I just had a great time. It was very good, very fun.
You think about NASA, right? You think about astronauts, but that's a very small percentage of their business. And so with Pohank, it's the same thing. We're not just salespeople. We have mechanics and financial advisors. We hire graphic artists. So helping them understand that a lot of jobs that on the surface look like one thing, to try to change their perception and really broaden their mind to the opportunities that are out there for them.
The Junior Achievement Inspire event is really great. I love seeing a bunch of 8th graders here that are really interested in different fields. Teaching kids that you can do a lot of different things within a business is kind of important to them because they don't really understand that at first.
There are great careers in healthcare too that are not necessarily clinical in nature. We need plumbers, we need electricians, we need people to help keep the lights on, we need accountants, we need people to help pay the bills. There are so many jobs and opportunities in healthcare, and this is a great opportunity for the students to learn so much about us.
This specific event is amazing because all of our 8th graders have the opportunity to see a world that lies ahead of them in terms of career exploration. And it's especially important for 8th graders because then they can develop their course of study for high school before they're there and know what the expectations are for careers that they might be interested in.
I've learned that working at a job, the journey is the most important part, and that you must have a great work ethic, you must be responsible, and show up to work all the time. This event has given me a lot of life skills I need for my job and advice to get my career.
I've learned that there are many different jobs that have different qualifications. I thought it was more simple to get a job, but it's really in detail in general.
The students today show up prepared. They do not come and just see what's available. They actually get to experience. So there's an in-classroom curriculum where they learn about their strengths, what they like, what they don't like. They come here prepared to ask the employers questions and to really understand what they can do right here in their backyard on the shore.
So they say that it takes a village to raise a child, and just look at the village we've created inside here today. Over 140 businesses showed up to show the students of the Eastern Shore what their jobs look like and how they can get that job in the long run.
His advice that he gave to me today really boosted my mind, and that nothing was like impossible. Like I can do anything I put my mind to.
It's basically like every single career you want in just one arena. It's amazing how they prepared this. It's amazing.
At JA Inspire, you will love this. You will love this.